I'm studying environmental and sustainability studies. I also have a minor in interdisciplinary arts, so it's kind of a broad area and topic. And within that, I've really fallen into geography and urban forestry. I've always been a lover of fine arts, so I decided to kind of bridge that with forestry. And this showcase is my independent project as a part of an internship. So that's what kind of brought this showcase to life. The idea itself was inspired by Earth Month, and so the idea was an urban and community forestry art showcase that kind of combines and gives information over urban forestry resources here in Lexington. Trees are one of nature's greatest artists, I think, and whenever I'm personally going out on walks or going hiking, I always notice the beauty that's out there, and I tend to romanticize it a bit. And I think that's something really beautiful that I would like other artists to recognize and other communities to also begin to recognize in their daily lives. Just the beauty that nature has. I hope to be able to inspire more creativity, both with trees and sustainability, as well as with art. And so I really hope that students can kind of, again, recognize the intrinsic value that trees have, whether it's through their beauty or economically or socially, and kind of how it influences their communities and their daily lives.